What's up, y'all? Good morning. How we doing? Holy uppies on the overnight, by the way. Why does it seem like all the good price action is happening in the overnight these days? And morning, Bram. Nima, I'm later than your flight. I'm not late. I'm early. What are you talking about? Morning, Kevin, Casper, Bram, Daniel, Albu. Albu, you clock in early. You're always my first comment in the chat. I love it. Love it. Still waiting for people to file in here a little bit. There's 12 of you in here currently, so we'll see what happens. Morning, Mason. I do realize we were just on a call, so I mean, good morning really means... I don't know what the good morning to you means, but... Morning, Kev. But yeah, all the good price action has been happening in the overnights and London session lately, it feels like. I may need to adjust. I may have to have a 3 a.m. stream my time or something. I don't know. Hello again, Mason says. Oh, I appreciate it, Albo. Yeah, we got to get these numbers up. Morning, Antonio. So my read for the day after this pump. So that 20,250 level finally got the breakout above that. Higher time frame wise, I would want a retest of that level. Yeah, retest of these tops here. I would want a retest of that for the long. It's going to be hard for me to hop on any longs with price way up here on the overnight, but we know how all-time ES is at all-time highs. We know how all-time highs goes. It could grind to infinity. It could just keep grinding and grinding and grinding. You're long 58.25, Kev. You might take a little heat on the open. We did have news this morning, GDP. I think, does Powell talk today? I haven't looked at Financial Juice at all. Let's take a look real quick. I think Mason said something about that in my call. Yeah, Powell talks at... Well, he's talking right now, apparently. Or is he done talking? There's 5 minutes in between each of these Fed speakers, according to Financial Juice. So I'm not sure what that means. Did you just come on and say hello and then go sit down? But yeah, I'll be looking. So my read on the day is I kind of want to see a pullback at least into this 420 to 440 area, possibly even down here into 400, and see if that holds. If it holds its support, I'll be long, targeting these levels above. Probably back into 500 and more than likely 600. That seems like a good target on the higher time frame. You can see, ooh, that's a little messy. Let's hide these drawings. You can see these wicks here at 20,600. So that, I think, is the target for any longs today. I don't know that we get much higher than that. If we do, I would be looking for 20,720 would be my next target to the upside. I'm not sure what I have levels-wise because I have not adjusted. It looks like I have a little resistance here at 650 to 670. And yeah, this 720 to 740 area. So that's going to be my reads on the day. I'm going to be patient here on the open after yesterday's $800 loser on this account. We're going to try to get it back up. This account balance currently sits at $1,858.90. Be nice to have 2 winning days here. Tomorrow is Trading with the Boys live stream. Oh, Martin, the Powell speech is pre-recorded? Oh, okay. I know, Tenor. That's how I kind of feel right now. We all know I like to long the market. I feel like I missed a good opportunity last night on that breakout of 250. 20,250, that is. I feel like I missed the opportunity. Markets are open. Yeah, I want to see a pullback into this. I need to see a pullback before I can hop on this. It's going to be hard to hop on the slow grind up. But I'm also not shorting this either. The only short that I see is a hold below 420 here. Oh, fantastic. Guys, let me know if the stream's bogging down on you. I just got the OBS disconnection reconnection message. I still have movers in my house moving stuff around. Speaking of which, I'm upset. The movers were moving in the fridge back on the main floor yesterday. Yeah, Dave, that's what it's. Everything froze on me there for about, I don't know, probably about that length of time. But the movers were moving the fridge back in yesterday, and they decided they were going to do 360s with the fridge before they slid it into place and damaged the floors. The brand new floors. Scratched them up. Hopefully it can just be sanded out and restained, but worst case scenario, they need to rip out all my hardwoods again and redo them. Let me know the latency on the stream now as well. I hope it's not too bad. Morning, Mr. Fox. Morning, Sanders. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. All 17 of you from what I can see. No, Sanders, it's sunny right now, but we are expecting some rain from that hurricane that's about to come on shore in Florida at some point. TK's channel? Good morning. TK, is this your first stream? Yeah, guys, if you could, smash that thumbs up button for me. Oh, welcome, TK. Everybody say hello to TK's channel. TK, we do have a free Discord community as well. There is a link in the description down below if you'd like to join. There's lots of good traders in there. We hang out in there all day, even after the stream. I'd kind of like the ES to come back into 5,800 here as well, before we see any kind of recovery. So this pullback is good in my eyes. We'll see how price reacts here at 20,400. Nimkin's 18,000. That's not happening. You're going to have a real hard time getting back through 20,250. Going to have a real hard time. What are you doing, Neiman? You just waiting on your flight? I know, Martin. It's wishful thinking. That's what I'm hoping for. I really want 20,250. That's the long I want. If I was swing trading that position, I would hold that to all-time highs. See what we got below here. Looks like we still got some draws down in through 400. Nimkins, have a safe flight. Nimkins, they're smoking in the men's room. At the airport? Oh, you can't smoke cigarettes inside at the airports here. No way. Because I'm just waiting for 20,400 here. Hey, welcome, Matt. Is this your first live stream as well? Yeah, the overlays are all thanks to my editor, Mason. He does a heck of a job. Works very, very hard. Nice, nice. Yeah, I stream every weekday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, Matt, Fridays we have a Trading with the Boys segment where we have some guests on. You'll want to tune into that. It's good banter. I'm not gonna say it's good trading, but well, it's good trading out of the guys, not so much out of me. All right, come on, 20,400. That's what we want to see. Want to see how price reacts there. If it holds its support down here and reclaims 420, I'll be long. Yeah, Martin, it is. It's Tradertainment. It's Tradertainment. Dave, you're having hats printed with "Take your 20 points, Nims." Oh, that's funny. Nims, you haven't had a losing day in 22 trading days? That's really good. Really, really good. Much better than me. Yeah, guys, if you could smash that thumbs up button for me. Help out the YouTube algorithm. We're still on the road to 500 subs and really the road to 1,000 subs. Hashtag let's get Mason paid. Kevin, he hasn't traded in 22 days. Oh, that's funny. So that's why the streak remains. He hasn't traded in 22 days. Nice, Matt. Thanks. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you first timers. Nima, last I checked, it was like 165 subs. So we got a ways to go. we have a ways to go. We seem like on the regular we have about, I don't know, between 25 and 30 viewers in here every day right now. Oh, it's on 167 subs. Oh, that's nice. So we picked up 2 over the last few days. Yeah, man, that's all the work of my editor Mason. He's pretty good at what he does. He's pretty good at what he does. Everything looks professional. Really appreciate, yeah, and good friend. Yeah, and good friend. Nah, Mason, you're more than a friend. You're a brother. It's your 2 other YouTube accounts? Okay. Yeah. We just have people creating fake YouTube accounts or duplicate YouTube accounts to subscribe. So it's really just the 25 to 30 people that are here creating new accounts. I suppose that could be the case. That could be the case. Come on down into 400, please. Let's get there so I can get a read here. You're just kidding, Misbegotten? I don't care how we get there. If you guys want to create a bunch of fake accounts. Just added your second account. If you guys want to create a bunch of fake accounts, I'm fine with that. Get us to 500 subs. Yeah, Matt, I'm using OBS. I did see a new feature, which I think Mason and I have talked about, but there's also a vertical, like I could multi-stream from OBS now with a vertical layout so that I could do like Instagram Reels or something like that. Yeah, man, I'm not going to go that route. I want it to be organic. I'm not going to pay for subscriptions. Yeah, I haven't tried it out yet either, Matt. It looks pretty easy. Like it has a secondary vertical layout. Phil, here comes 169. But it does it at the same time and recrops everything to the right aspect ratio so that you can multi-stream across different platforms, which would be fairly beneficial, I would think. But I'm no OBS expert. Honestly, if I didn't have Mason here, I would be lost. Let's put it that way. I'd be completely lost. He really puts in all the back end work. I'm just a face on camera and the trader. Oh, that's all right, Matt. We're all pretty nerdy here. We're traders. We're all pretty nerdy. Real traders are nerdy. Yeah, feel free. Yeah, share the video. Please share the video. Yeah, check out, yesterday's stream was kind of what you'll see tomorrow as well. Just there will be 4 traders on at one time tomorrow. We really got the idea from watching, it was actually some guys that stream, I want to say Flight Simulator gaming. And their setup was really cool. So we just kind of like used that to influence how we designed the new overlay, or Mason designed the new overlay. But it's kind of nice being able to see both charts at the same time and just have them transfer windows. All right, so here's 400. You do a window capture is how you do that, Matt. And then whatever scene you want on, you just have to crop it to fit into the overlay. Yeah, I'm not sure how Topstep TV does it. I have seen them. They probably have a whole production crew though behind their stream. It's very hard when you don't, well, we're not going to spend a bunch of money on production yet until we're earning money on this channel anyway. Yeah, Matt. I'm sure they have a full production team. They probably have somebody doing all the scene changes and camera placement and charts and all that. It's probably just like a TV studio for them. But they have the financial backing to do so. Yeah, here's the thing, is I think really we just need to focus on putting out shorts and doing the live streams. I'm not worried about our viewing hours because you have to have like 3,000 or 4,000 viewing hours as well in order to get monetized. But shorts get the views, and the live streams will provide the quote-unquote value. Yeah. Yeah, the Black Dog, man. It's crazy. $40,000 a session is just ridiculous. Yeah, of course. I had people asking me for a long time to do something like this. I've been doing it for about 2 months now. It's getting easier. I've really struggled with my trading because of it, because of all the background noise that's going on. Don Vo. Yeah, Don Vo should be going to prison, is what he should be doing. He lost everybody's millions and made his brokerage millions. Morning, Phoenix. Yeah. If you look, his broker was Blueberry Markets, and they're one of those markets that just takes the trade on the opposite side of all their traders. So there's a conspiracy that he was in cahoots with his brokerage, because I think it was, I don't know how much, like 4 million over a stretch of a couple days, something like that. I'm not sure. But the brokerage made that money, but all Don Vo's followers lost, or all his investors lost their money. No, Nimkins, there's no house account unless you're fronting the bill. Unless it's your account. Yeah, it was crazy. Donvo, I mean, that's nuts. I mean, who would give their money to that guy anyway? And like, it was crazy. He had something like 400 executions in one day, where he was normally only trading up until then 1 or 2 trades a day. It was ridiculous. And now he's disappeared. Yeah, it was wild. Oh, Matt, we've all been there. When I started trading, yeah, I was executing way too much. I found that when I execute that much, those are my big losing days. They're bad days. We do have people in here who do sling quite a bit. I know DJP. Porch, you going to take a trade? Yeah. I'm past the point now where I'm going to execute just to fill the void. I would think if I don't catch a trade during a stream, I don't catch a trade during a stream. Nima, you stay away from those NFL futures. You don't bet on my Lions anymore. Get rid of it. I realize they've won both times you have placed bets on them. However, you will not survive the season. You will have a heart attack every week. All right, I'm thinking about taking this long here, guys. It's starting to hold up here at 420. I really wish we would have got the sweep below 400 here first. Oh, here we go. Wait, Dave, are you still here? You called out what, 360? You're taking today off, Phoenix? Yeah, I still want lower. I mean, really, I want 20,250. I just don't know if it comes back that much today. I don't want to see the ES back into 5,800 as well. I'm seeing like a double top there on the hourly that I'd like to see retested. How we trading today, chat? You guys been active on the open? Anybody catch that short up there from 520? I mean, we're below VWAP here, so it's going to be hard for me to take this long unless we get a little deeper pullback. I like to be executing away from VWAP. Phil, you're long a micro at 420. I don't hate it. You might have to give it down into this 340 to 360 area. You're long from 58.14 out at 58.18 on the ES. I mean, that's a good trade. That was a solid rejection of VWAP there, huh? Yeah, be careful all in this area, guys. It could get pretty choppy before it makes the decision whether it wants down here reclaim back above 440 for the move back up into 500. Hey, Palm. Welcome. Actually, Palm, you can sleep in every morning if you're just doing the IB trade. Now that I think about it, there's really no reason for you to be at the charts until until like, I don't know, 10:15 Eastern. That works out. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, your strategy literally doesn't even take effect until 10:30 Eastern. That's nice. That is big brain. Big brain stuff out of Palmetto. What's up, Ollie? Ollie, you started classes yet again? I know you're back at uni. This is very choppy here. It might chop here until IB is set. So I might wait. Man, you guys start classes late over there. Tell me, in the UK, are the unis set up on like a semester type schedule? Like it is here in the US? I'm not sure how the university system works over there, because that seems extremely late. Most universities around here begin at or start class at the beginning of September. It's usually that first week of September. And does your semester run right up until pretty much Christmas time? Because I think here, usually finals are like that first week of December. Yeah, Phil, you kind of want to see the sweep below 400. This is what you, wow. Things just got a little aggressive there. And there's Dave's call out. 30 points later, 40 points later. Oh, Ollie, your stop's the 13th of December? Yeah, I want to say when I was in school, it was... That first week of December was finals week. Pal's talking in 15 minutes? Really? Did I miss something? The Black Dog Man. Pal already spoke, I believe. I'm not seeing anything. I see Cook and Bar are talking. Yeah, I don't see much on financial juice on the economic calendar for the rest of the day, really. Oh, okay. Okay. And Nimkins, the markets can't even get to 18,450 today. They can't. It's not possible. They would halt trading. Yes, I do know that. They have breakers in place to stop moves like that. Holy, your flight's delayed 3 hours? Do you guys have weather over there, Nimkins? Why would your flight be delayed 3 hours? It's only my negativity which is stopping. I'm not a market maker. I am no market maker, Nima. And who's really negative if you're calling for that much downside? Wouldn't that make you the negative one? Wouldn't that make you the doom and gloom if you're looking for a complete collapse? Manifestation, Phil says. Nima, you've been calling for 14K for how long now? For how long now? Last I checked, this looks up. I mean, up, 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 and away. Up, up, up. Some of my trades would say otherwise. What do you mean? One day you'll be right. For that kind of pullback, I don't know. At this point, after watching what the markets have done, I would say it would take one of two things. Another pandemic or World War III. I could be wrong. There might be another trigger, but it's going to take some major catalyst to put us back down there. Yeah, there's Albu. Albu's got your back. Hey, Kevin Long would do it. Yeah. Yeah. All right, looks like we're holding 400 here. Let's see. Let me know. Looks like everything's still good on OB. Yep. All right, we should be back. Let me know how the latency is. All right, I'm trying the long here. About to get stopped out. Yep, stopped out. So that was a $300 loser. I probably should have waited until it got back above 420. Because this could be chop in between 400 and 420. Yeah, Kev, I agree. That 250, that 20,250 long would be juicy. Yeah, Porch. I mean, I want to see a deeper, like on the ES, I want to see 5,800 get traded again. Really, I was just trying to get the like a 410 or 415 long into 440. I wasn't going to actually hold to full target there. But back up into at least VWAP made sense. At least to me. And it still might happen. It's going to be choppy here under 420 to 400. And I just wasn't willing to give it 25 points. Unless it... After the close yesterday? Let's see. Nvidia's at 126. Up nearly 2.5%. Oh, it looks like we froze up again. I'm definitely having internet issues, guys. All right, you're back. Let me know how bad the difference in time is. I might have to kill the stream. That's the third time I've had OBS disconnection or internet. Yeah, it's doing it again.